Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Google account that will own the photos. This keeps permissions simple. Once signed in, open Drive on desktop or the mobile app so you can upload quickly. Create a dedicated folder now. This makes sharing selective and avoids accidental exposure. Make sure the folder name is clear, because later you'll grant access by folder. That reduces repetitive sharing steps and keeps your photos organized for recipients. Next, upload your photos using drag and drop or Drive's upload files or folder option so you can add many images in one step. Once uploaded, arrange them into subfolders or rename files for easy discovery. This matters when others browse. If you have hike or RAW files, convert them first to prevent compatibility issues and watch file sizes because very large uploads may stall. When done, confirm all. Finally, set sharing. Right-click the folder and select Share, then choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor based on what you want people to do. You can add specific emails or get a link to send. Make sure to set link restrictions so only the right people access the photos. If recipients report problems, first verify their email, then recheck the folder's permission level and your Google Drive storage quota. Clearing cache or resending the link often fixes lingering access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.